Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to use Notion for healthy eating planning, a practical guide for 2025 and beyond. First things first, let's create a new page in Notion. We'll label it Healthy Eating Plan. This step is crucial because it gives us a designated space to organize and keep track of our nutrition goals. Now that we've done that, let's break it down further by creating subpages for meal plan, grocery list, and nutrition tracker. The reason we do this is to segment our healthy eating plan into manageable sections. Each subpage serves a unique purpose in helping us achieve our goal of healthy eating. Next up, we'll populate the meal plan subpage. Here, we'll list our planned meals for the week. This helps us because it not only ensures we eat a variety of foods, but it also makes grocery shopping more efficient. On to the grocery list subpage. This is where we'll list all the ingredients needed for our meal plan. This step is important as it ensures that we purchase only what we need, reducing waste and saving money. Lastly, we'll utilize the nutrition tracker subpage. Here, we'll record our daily intake of proteins, carbs, fats, and other nutrients. Let me explain why this matters. By keeping track of our nutrients, we can ensure we're meeting our dietary needs. When we're done, we'll have a comprehensive, organized, and personalized healthy eating plan right at our fingertips. Notion makes this process seamless and even enjoyable. And there we have it. That's how you can use Notion for healthy eating planning, the 2025 edition. Remember, the key to healthy eating is planning and tracking, and with Notion, it's never been easier. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, happy planning and healthier eating.